Hi, I'm Annie Woods. Thanks for watching. On Instagram, Goettl held a contest and they asked people to nominate someone in need of a new furnace. And married couple Rich and Alicia nominated each other, and they are now the proud recipients of that furnace. We've got Tanner here from Goettl. Thanks so much for speaking with us today, Tanner. You're a service manager at Goettl. Tell us, why does Goettl find it so important to have this community support?
I think the biggest thing in the community is building trust. And how do you do that? Well, you go into everybody's home and you prove that you're trustworthy, right? One of the ways that we give back to a community that gives so much to us is to offer programs like this where we can give away a free furnace to people who are in need, right? People who don't maybe have an opportunity, and we like to provide that for them.
That's so great. Thank you so much, Tanner. And tell us, Rich, tell us a little bit about your family and how is this furnace going to help you all?
Yeah, it's a nice surprise. Haven't won anything in a long time. 2004, I think I won a bottle of Jack Daniels. So we got a kid, obviously. So we just realized, having a look at it, that the furnace is a lot older than we thought it was, and there's a lot of grime and grud in there. So I don't know how long that would have lasted. It was making some questionable noises last year, so I just fixed that by turning the TV volume up. Seemed to solve it. Obviously not a long-term solution, so it's nice to have it and have peace of mind that, you know, we're not going into winter with a bad furnace.
Absolutely. And how does it make you feel about your community to have this win?
Yeah, it's really nice that you know, companies like Goettl do this kind of thing for the community. You know, there are people out there that can't afford to, you know, replace furnaces, and you know, we were going to replace ours. Then we had the kid, didn't realize how expensive the kid was. So, you know, it's a nice surprise.
Well, thank you guys so much for having us at your home. And if you'd like more information, you can always go to Goettl.com. Thanks so much for watching.